Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets in utility rooms in accordance with 210.70C as in car. Now, the note has some very important information. The receptacle outlets shall be GFCI protected and AFCI protected as outlined in 210.8A10 and 210.12A. Now, many times the contractor and electrician will install a circuit breaker that has the 5 sensing capabilities: short circuits, ground faults, overload, GFCI, and AFCI all in one breaker. Now, receptacle locations and requirements, we refer you to the figure 10-17 in that area. And remember, receptacles, if that dryer, cord and plug connected, is 240 volt, no more than 150 volts to ground, it has to be GFCI protected now. Just as well as ranges, cooktops, ovens, things like that in the kitchen. If they're cord and plug connected, 240 volt, a single phase, no more than 150 volts to ground, then they have to be GFCI protected. So there are some new rules. Now you have your lighting outlet there, 210.70C. It too has to be AFCI protected. Then your switch is installed there by the door where you enter in accordance with 210.70C, and that's what our figure 11-13 is illustrating.